northeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cottage Grove to McFarland to near Brookland, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Janesville, Fitchburg, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Oregon, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Cottage Grove, Belleville, Deerfield, New Glarus, Cambridge, Brookland, and Lake Ripley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa Weather Radio Station KZZ57 Rockford.
They changed that.
Weather is occurring or forecast to occur in the listening area. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. Normal broadcasts will resume when the threat of severe weather ended.
Really?
The current time is 1:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has... Until 7 p.m.
596, huh?
Includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois. Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Warren.
Not activating.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.
This thing needs batteries, though.
Close to the watch area.
Apparently.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has... Central Wisconsin until 30 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Milton to near Footsville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Delavan, Milton, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Footsville, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Love Range, Tiffany, Hanover, Millard, Avalon, Fuggs Hollow, Lima Center, Tibbetts, and Allens Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Janesville being on top of the game again.
central Wisconsin, western Rock County in
Jeez,
south
man.
central Wisconsin.
Actually,
until
we might get
3:15
smacked.
p.m. At 2:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stoughton to near Albany to near Monticello, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Broadhead, Orchardville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Newark, Magnolia, Dayton, Hanover, Attica, Judah, and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Yep.
in north central Illinois, northern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north central Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or 10 miles east of Beloit, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Grove, Greenwood, Spring Grove, Harvard, Hebron, Kemet, Capron, Sharon, Richmond, South Beloit, Wonder Lake, Roscoe, and Ruckton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south central.
Well, there it is. Everything else going on.
Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Warwick County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Daring to Sharon to near Poplar Grove, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Hell Lake, Howard Lake, Como, Allen's Grove, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, this isn't even the front line, so that's not really possible. I mean, it's not going to produce anything. Hold up.
Southern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m.
Come on, Lot.
At 3:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Footville to 6 miles south of Orfordville to Lake Somerset, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Gosh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, South Beloit, Clinton, Newark, Hanover, Funds Hollow, Shapir, and Afton. For For your protection, move to an
Pretty windy.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National
Finally.
County in north central Illinois, west central Boone County in north central Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Durand, or 8 miles northwest of Ogden, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Midland, Candlewood Lake, McChesney Park, Caledonia, Harrison, Loves Park, Durand, Roscoe, Rockford, South Beloit, Timberlane, and Parkwood Road. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Just a little early.
Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 5:15 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 28 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 12 nautical miles west of McHenry to 24 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to near Harbor to near Marengo, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Yeah, it's alright. You
Impact,
can go tomorrow.
expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, is it?
Locations impacted include Oakwood Hills, Waconda, Fox River Grove, Spring Grove, McCullum Lake, Lake Villa, Algonquin, Union, Woodstock, Fox Lake Hills, Fort Barrington, Fox Lake, Holiday Hills, McHenry, Ridgefield, Round Lake Beach, Lake Lurid, Cary, Johnsburg, Ringwood, Haynesville, Piscataqui Highlands, Hunley, Grave Lake, and Island Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm.
It is very raining outside.
County in north central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County
Hey, look at that
in north
wind.
central Illinois, until 4:15 p.m.
Jeez.
At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Timberlane or near Belvidere, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail.
Holy crap!
Source, trained weather spotters. At 3:30 p.m. a report of quarter to half-inch hail was reported near Caledonia. Impact, hail damage to...
Here, do you mind if I look out the window on this one? Woo! Oh yeah, that's hailing, isn't it? Jeez. Holy crap.
Garden Prairie, Belvidere, Caledonia, and Love's
Wow.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Look at that, dude. Dang.
This is Noaa weather radio station
Woo!
EZG57 Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast.
See, this is what an actual severe thunderstorm's like.
Holy crap.
When we don't get gapped all the time. How you doing, dog? Damn. Yeah, we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning. I think this qualifies. Let me see what my weather station's reading for wind gusts. It's only reading 14 mile an hour. What's that bull crap?
Wind damage to roofs.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Man. It's like not even that insanely strong. It's just the wind is making it look way worse. Woof.
Radio station EZG57 Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast.
It's a little windy out there. Jeez.
It's just on break. If you got leaves on your driveway, you know it's windy.
Yeah. I know, right? Yeah. Huh. Yeah, there's a little bit of hail. I can hear it. I can hear the hail hitting the window. Dang. Oh, well. You good, dog? Jeez. I bet the hail's just blowing south. Or, I don't think we're actually technically in the hail. It's probably just blowing south because the wind's so strong. Damn! And it's like still going too.
What do you say, getting gas in Wisconsin and spending the car wash?
Well, Braden, the rain dance worked.
What's that?
The rain dance worked. Hey, dog. Go if you're gonna go. Or not. Oh, that was a big one. These are some big hailstones, dude. Holy crap! Damn. I really should not be this close to the window. But I'm a Midwesterner, so. Duh. It's still going, too. It's been going for a while. Man, that's crazy. I haven't seen a windstorm this bad in a while. Yeah, I know. It's hitting all the windows. I'm at like a 6-minute video right now.
I hope it blows down the fence the new neighbors put up.
Oh, I know, yeah. Idiots.
Oh, I know. And I think they're over Carol's lot.
Yeah, I know. Transformer blew up.
All activity is stopped from it except smoke.
Yeah, we don't ever lose power in storms. We probably just had some actual 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and we still have power.
Fire smoke investigation 2703 Squaw Prairie Road 2703 Squaw Prairie.
Alright, I'm gonna stop filming, but it looks like the hail's about to get worse.
In the area of this address.
My power clicked off for like half a second, but our internet's down. Good thing I got these things.
Northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crystal Lake to near Marengo to near Kirkland, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rolling Meadows, Valley View, Algonquin, Fairdale, Lily Lake, West Dundee, Genoa, South Elgin, Hunley, Inverness, South Barrington, Gilberts, Kirkland, DeKalb, Barrington Hills, Sleepy Hollow, Hoffman Estates, Barrington, Carpentersville, Elk Grove Village, Kingston, Malta, Campton Hills, Virgil, and Burlington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Winnebago and West Central Boone counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled until 4:15 p.m. for southeastern Winnebago, southwestern McHenry, and southern Boone counties. At 3:49 p.m.,
Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5:45 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 7 nautical miles southeast of McHenry to 6 nautical miles north of Elgin, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail.
Alright.
Source, radar.
Position 2 of a gas leak investigation, 614 seconds. 614 seconds for a gas leak in the basement. They don't know how to shut it off. They are evacuating.
Alrighty.
Harrison Beaver, Cribs, Burnham Harbor, Hamlet Marina, Wilmette Harbor,
Belvidere Fire Station 2 of a gas leak
31st Street
investigation,
Harbor,
614
Monroe
seconds.
Harbor,
614 East
Burns
2nd
Harbor,
Street for gas leak in the
Belmont Harbor,
basement. They don't know how to
Calumet
shut it
Harbor,
off.
Marina
They are
Shores Edgin
evacuating.
Harbor, and 59th Street Marina.
4:15 p.m. for southeastern Winnebago, southwestern McHenry, and
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for South. Severe thunderstorm watch number 596 remains in effect until 7 p.m. and now includes the following: Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm.
Scanners are busy.
Control for 102.
Okay, go ahead.
We're going to need Nikon out to 614 East 2nd Street. This should be a priority. We got a blown line that's leaking out a lot of gas.
For a lot of gas. I'll get them around.
10-4, thank you.
Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hoffman Estates, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belmont Cragen, Westchester, Dunning, West Town, Rolling Meadows, Glendale Heights, Bellwood, Berkeley, Austin, West Garfield Park, Rogers Park, Hillside, near North Side, North Lake, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Logan Square, Glenview, Niles, South Barrington, Rosemont, Evanston, Humboldt Park, Oak Park, and Lombard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
District 3, if you can head towards the city and stage at District 2, be available for any city or District 2 calls. We have multiple on 6 in any area of city.
Control from 103.
Last unit, go again.
Control from 102.
Go ahead.
102 is available from West Locust. Everybody was okay at this house at 613. Do we have any other opening calls?
In northeastern Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sycamore, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montgomery, Elburn, North Aurora, Geneva, Big Rock, Caneville, Wayne, Aurora, Batavia, St. Charles, Hinkley, Sugar Grove, Waterman, Maple Park, Camden Hills, DeKalb, and West Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for Central County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warning.
There you go. What is it? Huh.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Big
for
one?
northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern
Oh, yeah.
DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Aurora, or over Aurora, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Gosh.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding,
Yeah.
and trees. Locations impacted include Plainfield, Orland Hills, Lisle, Orland Park, Aurora, Willowbrook, Bristol, Westmont, Montgomery, Hinsdale, Darien, Woodridge, Downers Grove, Palos Park, Willow Springs, Countryside, Romeoville, Clarendon Hills.
That was definitely a
Naperville,
powerful storm that
North
went
Aurora,
through. We haven't had
Boulder
one
Hill,
that bad in a long
Burridge,
time.
Warrenville, Western Springs, and
Yeah.
Oswego. For your protection, move
Cool
to
with
an
that.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's hitting Chicagoland now.
The severe thunderstorm warned
Damage to
Well,
vehicles
I
is
missed
expected.
one.
Expect wind damage.
Hold up. Ugh. There's gonna be another one.
Illinois until 8 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winslow, or 11 miles southwest of Monroe, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, Winslow, Rock City, Buena Vista, Rock Road, Oneco, Orangeto, Wadhams Grove, Red Oak, Lake Aquanaut State Park, Atoke, McConnell, Dakota Dorning Airport, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is Noaa Weather Radio Station KZZ 57 Rockford. Severe weather is occurring. Northeastern Lee County in north central Illinois.
Why?
Southeastern
Oh.
Ogle County in
I
north
see it.
central Illinois. West central DeKalb County in
Man.
north central Illinois until 8 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Kirkland to near Hillcrest, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
There's a bunch of debris on the roof in that storm earlier.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hillcrest and Rochelle around 7:15 p.m. Malta around 7:20 p.m. DeKalb around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Creston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa Weather Radio Station KZZ 57 Rockford. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lee County in north central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near DeKalb to 7 miles northwest of Paw Paw, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sandwich, Somonauk, Shabona, Hinckley, Paw Paw, Waterman, and Lee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Stephenson County.